What's up, YouTube? It's me, Mel Fit. Hope all is well with you and your families. We're pouring live from beautiful Northwest Florida. I'm over here at the famous KFC, and I'm about to do a simple review on their latest food item. That's the chicken and donut sandwich. Anyway, see you guys at the restaurant later. Alright guys, so I got the chicken sandwich, and I got the chicken sandwich only and a cup of water because I'm not trying to introduce any more calories. So anyway, check it out. This is how it's looking. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Look at all that glaze. It is piping hot. That glazed donut looks really, the glazed donuts are nice and hot, and so is the chicken. And look at all that glazy goodness. Alright guys, so for the taste test. Whoa, look at all that glaze. It is hot. Alright, first bite guys, first bite. Let me get one more to confirm. I had to take a second bite to confirm. Alright, I normally don't eat stuff like this because this will add weight to you, but today is cheat day, and what better way to celebrate cheat week than to do a review, right? Anyway, so is the KFC donut chicken sandwich good? Oh yes, it is good. First of all, it's super hot. The glaze is all over the chicken. The chicken's hot, everything's piping hot, and everything's seasoned to perfection. From a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being good, the best tasting, and 1 being less tasting, I would give this a 9.5. A 9.5. And yeah, this is a good chicken sandwich. You get that sweetness from the donut and the nice saltiness from the chicken. Chicken's real moist, real crunchy, seasoned well. Anyway, let me enjoy this chicken sandwich, and I will let you know the nutritional numbers later. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this sandwich later, guys. All right, guys. So the nutritional numbers for the new KFC donut chicken sandwich. The numbers don't look good. You can't be eating this every day. You cannot be eating this every day. Anyway, per serving for one sandwich. Guys, you can't eat this every day. Alright, so for calories, 1,100 calories in that one sandwich. 65 grams of fat. And 100, did you hear me? 100 grams of carbohydrate and 29 grams of protein. Again, the nutrition numbers for the new KFC donut chicken sandwich: 1,100 calories, 65 grams of fat, 100 grams of carbohydrates, and 29 grams of protein. So as delicious as it is, the numbers don't look good if you're gonna be eating this every day. Price, it's only $5.99, which equals to $6.44 here in beautiful Northwest Florida. Anyway, that is it. Would I recommend this? Yes, absolutely. So if you like a little sweet and a little salt on your chicken sandwich, I say go for it. And comment below if you tried the new KFC donut chicken sandwich. And comment below if you will be trying it in the future. Anyway, if you like this episode, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you are watching this video, you are having a good day, just make sure you make this good day into an amazing day. As always, until the next episode, keep moving, keep improving. One love over here in beautiful Northwest Florida. That's Pensacola, Florida. If you do not know, later YouTube.